Today we are going on a day trip from Bangalore to Chikballapur, and then we are gonna cover a few places we have in mind. So stay tuned with us. Chikballapur is approx 50 kilometers from Bangalore. It also depends on your location, a few kilometers more or less. Depends where you stay in Bangalore. So we booked a cab from Make My Trip because my other friend and me will live in different places from Bangalore, so we have added all the stops in our ride booking, outstation ride booking, and now we are headed towards our destination. So our first stop is Nandi Hills, and as you can see, this is the best time to visit Nandi Hills. The beauty of Bangalore in monsoon is unbeatable. I love the monsoon here, and the best way to enjoy it on a quick weekend getaway is Nandi Hills. You can see the fog is getting denser and denser. I feel like I'm going to Mussoorie or some place like that. View is incredible and I'm getting all hyped up already. So let's wait until we go on top in the clouds. Also, let me remind you, if you are going on a weekend, then you must be ready to face some crowd at the base of Nandi Hills, because there will be, a parking entry ticket. So there you'll have to face a long queue at the base of Nandi Hills. If you are going by two-wheeler, then it's much better to avoid traffic, but at the same time, it might be risky because of the twists and turns of driving on a hilly area. Also, there is this rains since it's monsoons and it's Bangalore, and also it's a hilly area.
So Nandi Hills की hike शुरू हो गई है हमारी. We are in the mid, and now we are going to Sunrise Point. And I've also been to Nandi Hill once before, but this is the right season to come to Nandi Hills. Monsoons. Yeah, right. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
It can rain anytime, so you have to mind of your safety as well. So I would suggest by going by a cab is a better option, or if you can drive well in hilly areas, then you can opt for a car, Zoom car, and if you have your own car, whatever, it's fine.
Have you started? I love you. This is the view, this is the vibe, and this is the time to plan your Nandi Hills trip.
Also, there's a temple inside, and for this temple, 10 rupees charges per head are applied.
There is a pond here, right beside the temple, which I missed last time. So yes.
The entry charges for per car is 100 rupees. So on one ticket, 100 rupees. 4 to 5 people can go. We were 3, including the driver. There was no issues. Also, the last time I visited, there were only 2 or I guess at most 3 cafeterias on top. But now there are too many outlets offering a variety of food and breakfast snack, including the traditional South Indian dosa, idli, sambar, chutney. So we had in the breakfast, because we were hungry. We were damn hungry. We didn't had anything when we left the PG. Obviously, it was 3 a.m.
It's too airy. And one lesson for you: do not come sleepless. Do not wear sleeveless when you come to nothing.
No, you can.
If you can wear, if you strong like her, then you can. It's too windy and too foggy today.
So now we are just enjoying the view from every corner on the top, and obviously there was too much fog, zero visibility, so we couldn't see the sunrise. So I guess we'll have to come here for a third time to see the sunrise this time.
नॉट मैनी पीपल विल ऑब्जर्व सच स्मॉल थिंग्स, पर यहाँ ये देखिए बना हुआ है, कुछ कुछ तेलुगु में इधर लिखा भी है। ऐसे पूरे नंदी हिल्स में अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू ऑब्जर्व व्हेन यू गो ट्रैवल एंड यू विल फाइंड हिडन जेम्स and hidden art and hidden history as well. So right now we are concluding our trip at Nandi Hill and we'll go to Boga Nandishwar. Now we came to where we came to Boga Nandishwara temple. Stay tuned.
Where is the temple? Where is the temple?
That is our entrance and this is the temple. Here people often come to get married by South Indian rituals.
In this temple, people can also pay to get the Kalyanam done of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. We were lucky enough to witness that.
राइट नाउ वी आर एट बोगा नंदीश्वर टेम्पल. बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही जागृत टेम्पल है एंड इट्स सो लाइवली हियर. यू कैन फील द इंस्टेंट कनेक्ट विद गॉड. सो आई वुड से इट्स अ मस्ट विजिट प्लेस.
This temple is around 1200 years old. It was built in 9th century and it is one of the oldest temples of Karnataka. Just look at the architecture. It's so beautiful here. And I would strongly recommend you to come here. There's also a pond inside this temple which is so beautiful. We had our lunch at the temple itself at Anna Prasadalaya. It was free of cost for all the devotees. And now we are heading to our third and the last stop of today. Now it's your turn. I'll let you guess where we are going next. Okay, I'll give you a hint. The place is in Chikballapur itself. 3, 2, 1, and your time is up. We are going to Adiyogi once again. I mean, once again for me and for the first time for our fellow traveler and friend. As per the silent rule of Bangalore to crowd every tourism places or every attraction or every getaway, you can see it's not that much crowdy as of now, because now is not the right time, because the biggest attraction of Adiyogi is the light show which happens at night. So people start coming by 5 or 6 p.m. and then they leave by 9:30 or 10 by the time the show ends. But since Savan month is going on, Shravan Mas is going on, I have no regrets. Just me and my Bholanath and that's it.
So Adiyogi darshan is done and right now we are at the entrance of the abode of yoga and there's this Udupi Gardenia, good place for snacks or whatever, and then there's this beautiful thing we're gonna check out.
Since we booked the cab till evening itself and we have to be back to our PGs, so that's why we won't be able to watch the light show today. I've already watched it, so as of now we can enjoy the weather and the presence of Lord Shiva itself, which is amazing beyond words. Coming back to the budget, it was around 4K including the cab booking, petrol, parking toll, everything. So if you are 4 or 5 people, it's less than 1K, which is a budget trip again, a budget day out for Chikballapur.
So our trip is concluded here. One day, 3 places in Chikballapur: Nandi Hills, Boga Nandishwar Temple, and then Adiyogi. And you can come by cab. That is the best option. If there are 3 and 4 people, then it will be a budget trip. The more people, the merrier, and the lesser the budget. So finally, it was a nice day out. You can plan your trip. So plan your trip now. Any weekend, Saturday, Sunday, just one day, and not even the entire one day. We just covered all 3 places in half day. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and plan your trip now. Bye bye.